Baby's sad because of the congestion, coughs, and sneezes. You're frustrated because it seems like the only things available for babies are snot suckers, saline, and humidifiers. Put the no in your baby's stuffy nose with Oilogic's Stuffy Nose and Cough Line, specifically formulated for babies to open airways and calm coughing naturally. Here's how. Give your baby a bath with our vapor bath. Soaking in the warm water while breathing in soothing vapors is a great way to calm their coughs and colds. Your baby's first words might just be, 10 more minutes, okay? Adding 2 cups of our Epsom salt soak not only helps calm and soothe your little one, it also helps ease aches, soothe muscles, and relax the body. You can even use it with the vapor bath. The essential oils will help open up the airways, while the Epsom salt helps ease the aches. Plus, it's been approved by babies for use on parents. Roll on the goodness with our vapor chest rub to your baby's chest or neck. The soothing vapors help with symptoms, while the roll-on helps prevent unwanted messes. Apply the roll-on while they're stationary. A moving target is hard to hit. A spritz or 2 of our vapor mist on your baby's bed sheets and blankets will help your baby through the night, while spraying it on their clothes or in the air will help throughout the day. It's working around the clock. Oilogic's Stuffy Nose and Cough products' customized blend of natural essential oils and plant-based ingredients are formulated specifically for babies, even grown-up babies who can't handle coughing. Oilogic's Stuffy Nose and Cough products have all the stuff you want and none of the stuff you don't. Oilogic products are Pediatrician and Dermatologist Tested, award-winning, animal approved, and parent endorsed. Let Oilogic calm the coughs and soothe the stuffiness with our Stuffy Nose and Cough line of products.